Welcome back to Technique India. So today's video will be all about how to record audio from external microphone in your OnePlus phone on the OnePlus Camera Native app. So first, why we want to do it on the Camera Native app only? Because they have a lot of good features, OIS in the OnePlus native app that is applicable, but if you are using any secondary app to record your audio and stuff, so you lose that features, ultra smooth videos and stuff. So let's begin. So starting off with the day one, I was okay with my new OnePlus 70 Pro, because obviously I was leaving my Samsung behind and a lot of features of Samsung which I really wanted, but I had no other options because in India right now Samsung is coming up again with the Note 20 with the Exynos variant only, and I really don't want to spend another 99,000 Indian rupees on that particular phone with the Exynos processor with slower speed, performance and a bad battery. So finally I shifted to OnePlus and had to do it because I had no other options in Android. But I got a good deal on a 70 Pro, so I shifted on that, and then I got the phone. I was checking a few basic things and I got to know the external mic is not supported, and I was literally in shock because I thought it would be, because it is on Samsung, it is on Apple, and I was literally had no idea that it won't support that. So I was first like 2-3 days I was figuring out a lot of things and stuff, and then finally I got different apps in which it could be supported. Basically I downloaded a lot of apps, which is Camera FV5 Lite, Camera MX, Open Camera, and what all suggestions on YouTube I got or on the OnePlus community. So I had a lot of apps, as you can see. I installed for the camera. I also bought one app called Camera FV, which is the Lights version Pro app, which I got around in like 150 Indian rupees, and it was okay. I can spend that much if I want the external microphone to record, but again there was the features were lost, ultra smooth video was gone, and which I really wanted, but I thought okay, I'll compromise with that. But one day I was just like having a chat with my friend on our WhatsApp call, and then I figured out this trick which is really, like, it sounds so odd, but it did the job for me and I am sure it will do it for you as well, because I tested the same thing in OnePlus 7T as well and it was going good. So technically here what we are doing is just fooling the OnePlus software with, like, we are using the external mic or the earphones mic. I'll demonstrate how. So let's start with that. So firstly, just you need to do one thing first come first. Like, obviously I got this video on, like camera app on, and I'll demonstrate that to you like this. Camera app is on. Now what I'll do is I'll attach an earphones to this. So let me do it for you. Give me a second. So what I have done right now is just attach my phone with these earphones, and I'll be first demonstrating directly with using the native app. Like the earphone microphone will not be used. So first I'll demonstrate that, then I'll tell the trick. So let's get started. Okay. So what I need to do is just switch on the camera app and start the video recording in this. So I have, okay, so what I have done is I have started the video recording and I'm using this microphone, as you can see, but I know it would not be recording from here, it would be definitely recording from here. So you can see it is recording from here, not from this. earphone microphone. So this is from OnePlus microphone, this is earphone microphone. So it's not recording from earphones microphone. So the trick which I need to use now is, I'll tell you. First let me pause it, or I'll just show by removing my external microphone as well, so just for your clarity and stuff. So now you can see the same voice is coming from background and all, and this is from the OnePlus phone mic. Okay, so now what I do is we'll pause the video. So I have paused the video. Now what I'll do is, okay, so what I'll do here is we'll start the trick would be, just open your WhatsApp, go to calls. Okay, open your WhatsApp, go to the call section, and just give a call to a random anybody, or like I have two numbers in this phone, so two WhatsApps, and so I'll call to my parallel WhatsApp number. So I have done that, you can see, and I am receiving the call on the other end. So what I'll do is I'll accept that call, and then quickly go to the camera app and switch on the video. Video is switched on. I have disconnected the call. Okay, so the call is disconnected. Now I'll switch over to the microphone's camera. Okay, just wait. So now whatever you will be hearing would be directly from the mic's camera. It would be coming from the earphones mic, as now you can hear it, and it would be more clear and better than the OnePlus mic. So OnePlus mic is also okay, but like whenever you are placing a mic like just your phone too far away from you, so it won't be recording as much as clear as external microphone. So definitely external microphone would be handy. Like I am recording it now via my earphone microphone, and it's really handy, and it is really nice audio is coming out of this. So which is why we wanted to use an external microphone, and now it would be definitely be recording from the external microphone. And now I'll just close this video. So this is just the basic trick which we need to use to fool the OnePlus software, and so that we can shoot via external microphone. So if this works for you, do give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to make new videos and content and really nice tips and tricks. So I saw this, like a lot of people were having trouble on OnePlus community. I myself was having trouble, so I believe this is a really good solution to that, and it is really nice, and just a mere like 2-second job which you need to do before recording your video, and you can do that and just use the external microphone, and it's done. So thank you so much for watching my video. Meet you in the next one. Bye bye.